Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Tips that will help prolong the life of flowers for longer. Women just love to receive flowers, but they quickly fade. Therefore it is important to know what to do, once you have received such a spectacular gift at home, to make the beauty of the latter you can more. These 5 tips will make flowers live much longer than you expected. 1. Use clean water. Flowers have small capillaries and are easily clogged. In this sense, preservatives, dirt in the environment, leftovers in weight and other external objects can cause problems. To avoid this, disinfect the vase where you put them with hot soapy water and use a good brush to scrub inside. Also, of course, change the water every 2 days. 2. Cut the stem. Stems should be cut with a sharp knife and never scissors, as you can risk blocking capillaries. In addition, make sure that the cutting has an angle of less than 90 degrees, since it allows to increase the type of capillaries and more water to flow through the barrel. Do this every 2 days and do not forget to sprinkle with water. 3. Keep them away from the heat source. Keep your flowers from sources of heat, fruits and direct sunlight. These agents will shorten the lives of your beauties. Fruits produce ethylene gas, which makes them killers of flowers. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.